Hi there, students. Tumult, a noun. Mostly uncountable, but can be countable as well. Tumultuous, the adjective. Tumultuously, the adverb. So, a tumult can be a loud noise of a crowd that is agitated and confused. You can hear this roar of confusion and people unhappy. That is a tumult. The tumult made impossible to hear the politician's speech. Tumult can also be the wild disorder and chaos that goes with that sound. So wild disorder and chaos among a group of people. There was tumult when the police charged the demonstrators. There was tumultuous consternation when British Rail announced that all trains had been cancelled. And then finally we can use tumult to talk about a state of worried mental agitation or emotion. His mind was in tumult when he discovered he had lost his job. He was a tumult of anger and disbelief. His mind was tumultuously confused, chaotic, no order, just all mixed up. So, tumult, uproar, violent and noisy disturbance among a crowd or a mob. As I returned to my classroom, I could hear tumult coming from inside. The kids were obviously doing something. Tumult, a riot, an uprising, disorder, a chaos. The military invasion led to tumult among the civil population. People running here, people running there, people travelling, people buying everything they can. And then tumult, emotional or mental distress, angst and agitation. His thoughts and emotions were in tumult. So tumult, disturbance, trouble, chaos, turmoil, unrest, tumult in the financial markets, a clamour, a row, a din, an uproar, a racket, a tumult of angry voices, and then interruption of regular procedure or public peace. There was tumult among the population when the new laws were implemented. And then mental turmoil, agitation, upset, a mind in tumult. Okay, so what about formality? I think I'd probably give tumult a 6 in formality. You might use chaos or disorder in an informal conversation. And the origin, well, there's a Latin word, tumultus, meaning uproar, bustle, commotion, panic. So a tumult, a group of upset, worried, distressed people, and or the noise they are making. Or a state of worried mental agitation. Okay, and that's the idea of tumult. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tumult.